Welcome back. Let's do question 3 to 4. Right, determine using the graph the value of -2 cos 0 plus cos 1 up to cos 360 degrees. We may do this differently, but let's discuss using the way that I understand this. But if you have a different way of doing it, that's okay. All right, we have -2 cos 0, cos 1, cos 2. We're adding all these up to cos 360 degrees. So let's have the graph of cos theta. Let's have the graph of cos theta, which is like this. Then I'll try to explain using this graph. Okay, the minimum there is -1 for cos theta. Okay, this is the graph of cos theta or cos x, since we're using x. Let's say cos x. Cos 0, this is 1. Okay, let's put 1 here. Then cos 360 is another 1. So this is 1 here. Okay. And then cos 180, which is somewhere in between here. Cos 180 degrees, which is here, is -1. So this is -1. So if you say 1 minus 1 plus 1 is what? Is 1. So we have -2. And then 1 minus 1 plus 1 is 1. Okay, I didn't count the other angles like cos 1, cos 2, cos 359, cos 358, like that. I'll explain why. Right, now I have these 3 points that I've used, which is cos 0, cos 180, and cos 360. And then if I add them, I get 1. 1 minus 1 plus 1 is 1. But now what happens to these other angles? What happens to that? If you check, let's take for example cos, let's say we have cos 1, let's say angle 1 here, this is angle 1 degrees, and then angle 179. Okay, if you check, these two, 1 and cos 1 degrees and cos 179 degrees, they cancel each other out. The other one is positive, the other one negative, and their magnitudes are equal. The only difference is the sign. So they cancel each other out. Just like if it's 2 degrees and 178, they will also cancel each other out. You can check that using your calculator. Okay, let me just do that. Let's say cos 2 degrees, we get 0.999390827. Then let me say cos 178 degrees. Cos 178 degrees, you see we're getting negative 0.999390827. You see that? So these, they cancel each other out. Okay, and then even this side, let's say we have 359 and then 181. Cos 359 and cos 181, they will cancel each other out because this one is positive, this one is negative. Same magnitude, only different what? Different signs. Okay, so all these will cancel each other out, and then this side also, they'll cancel each other out. So we remain with 1 minus 1 plus 1. So that's why we have that 1 there. So this whole thing gives us 1. Means like -2 times 1, which is equal to -2.